Just copped some very last second tires for the drift car. And like I keep saying, there's an event this weekend. And I'm really trying to push myself to get this car ready for it. I'm hoping it'll pass tech. I still need to have the lights work and stuff like that. I've still got a bunch of stuff to do, but I'm also going to pick up some wheels tomorrow because my drift spares are all in my pod. Just like my angle kit and everything that I was not supposed to pack. Whoa. It's like a freaking party right now. Hey, you want to show them what we're going to do this weekend? 3, 2, 1. Understeer! Oh! Oh, good boy. You got something special to unbox today. Get your nose off my camera. Ooh. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Oh my god, I'm so excited, dude. I feel like I've been waiting for months for this to come in. You know what? I'm gonna do a little bit of unbox therapy for you. For some reason, people subscribe. That's a lot of subscribers for somebody opening up boxes. I know you guys like the boxes, so go open them today, baby.
It's so cold right now.
I'm so excited to see them. Here we have a box inside of a box.
That's what we paid for, right? The box itself.
Oh, here we go. Jake Keisel. I think that's how you say it. Jake, shout out to my boy Jake. 2/1/18 is the birthday. Happy birthday. Quality inspection, spring rate. I got the 7K and 11K spring rates. So anybody who wants to know any of the issue or like the stuff here, that's it. I got my perch, not my perch things, my freaking wrenches. I don't know, I can't remember what they're called. All right, boys, 2 unboxings in 1 video. Nice.
Oh, yeah. Bubble wrap. That's what we paid for. All
right, we're only gonna undo one of these goods because we're not installing them today, unfortunately.
You look really sexy.
Thank you.
This lighting.
I have a baby right here, but I'm not gonna install these babies until I'm done with this week because we have so much to do with the drift car. But I figured I would finally announce the Porsche's first actual mod today. Let's go ahead and check out this Fortunato quality. Hashtag hand built for me. Takes them about 2 or 3 weeks to make them.
Ooh.
God, I love these so much. Nice. Here you go, boys. With that nice Fortunato build quality. I'm not sure if these are the front or the rears because I don't know anything about this suspension on the Porsche yet. We will figure that out probably next week when we install them. I'll save how low I'm gonna go until the video, but I'm stoked. I'm really excited. I'm honestly really excited to have these. Of course, I get excited about every car part that I ever get, so I say that all the time. Sorry, but not sorry. All right, baby, let's get it back up. I'm just gonna put it right back in here. Actually, no, I'm not. This is my baby. Need to wrap
gotta protect it. That's a terrible wrap job.
You know what? It's fine. Conquered the box. Now let's get out of here because
oh, that's gold.
We have stuff we gotta do to the. I've almost said Porsche. There you go. You already know. I don't even know what it is anymore.
I'm gonna take over this channel. Nice boxers.
You'll be low soon enough. No check engine light, gang. Is it weird that I kind of miss having a low car and like having to maneuver around like slight inclines and having to go really slow so that the car behind me has to think about why the hell is this guy in front of me going so slow. I don't know, I kind of miss that. I love my cars being low and loud. Is that weird? I feel like it's normal. She's gonna be low. She's gonna get low. I'm so excited, dude. I'm so excited. Oh, it's gonna look so good. It's gonna look so good. Okay, it's cold. But we've got so much to do to this car. It's hard for me to it's hard for me to really show love on the channel for it. But man, I'm telling you what, I freaking love this exhaust. We couldn't get, for some reason the taillights don't even have any power. So today we're gonna try and diagnose a little bit of the wiring. I'm not gonna try and fix the whole thing today because that just makes me want to puke in my pants. But there's probably a lot of stuff in here. I don't know why my camera's got like this like blue and something wrong. Maybe it's the ISO. Hold on, let me see. ISO. See, it's like,
Let me see what's going on.
there we go. Oh, nope,
That
now that's not better. Actually, okay. I think I figured it out. Here we go. Okay. So I just got way too many wires sitting here. Some things, plural, got unplugged, and I'm not sure exactly why. I'm gonna test the power going back to them just to see and make sure my actual bulbs aren't out. But for some reason, I'm not getting power back there. But what was really odd to me was the light back here. This actually works, so it tells me that something's getting power back here. I'm not sure why these aren't. Maybe I unplugged something that wasn't supposed to be unplugged up there, but we gotta figure that out today. At least do that. And I've got my wife here because she can actually focus, unlike me. She knows how to, I don't know. I've never been able to like put myself in a box. I don't know. Like I'm like, and then hopefully she can fix it. So I have spent probably 30 minutes in here just looking and trying to trace stuff to whatever location. I've removed some wires, but dude, I'm not kidding. I'm not exaggerating and trying to be funny. I'm honestly to the point to where if there's somebody in the Dallas Metroplex that can come out here and this, not like I don't need like a full-time wiring person. So I don't mean like some guys can charge me millions of dollars. Any of you guys do wiring, or if you know somebody that just does it as part-time job or just is really good at it that just wants to come do it, I need somebody to figure out my wiring on this Lexus. I want to remove all the wires I don't need, and I want to clean it up in here, and I want to get everything functioning again. Like, I can't get my telescopic, like this, for some reason, doesn't work anymore. Nothing was unplugged from here, but evidently there's something somewhere in here where it's unplugged, doesn't work anymore. Taillights don't work. Literally have plugged everything back in. I've tried to reconnect grounds and figure out a bunch of other stuff. Nothing. I just can't figure it out. Give you a hug and kiss, whatever you want, dude.
Because this looks like the wire that's gonna control the telescoping, correct?
I guess.
Like,
I
I don't see anything else coming from it. Do you?
I don't know. I just see that there's something dangling there, and it gives me AIDS. You're cute when you're doing my wiring.
Thanks.
How much do you charge?
I'm pretty expensive.
You're pretty expensive. Yeah, you are.
Okay, could this be for
I don't.
OEM steering wheel by any chance? Because there's nothing else
Yes,
right
that's
here.
actually what that was for. This was for the clock spring.
Oh
my
look
God!
at that.
Now that you say that, thank you for reminding me. And then I don't know what the hell all this
I know,
garbage is.
I'm working my way back there, so you
And then this,
chill.
dude, I hate it. I don't even know why my brain is just blocked off. Open up an engine. I know how to put it back together. Do this. Make me look at what, like, made me chase with these wires right here. Nope. I want to die inside. This can be taken out.
So I need you to
Oh, that. You want me to hold this up for you?
Not with your foot. I need to work right there.
Holding it up. I don't want to move. Okay, so my blinkers are working back there. I can see it through the reflection. So that's really nice. I don't know. Yep, we got left blinker. Both blinkers are working. Okay, we don't have reverse lights. Blinkers work. Beats me, dude. Believe it or not, we're making progress. No, we actually legit are. We're taking out a lot of stuff. I took out some AC lines and stuff like that. That was all back there. I still don't know what the hell all this is, but it looks pretty crucial to a lot of stuff. That's for tack. But then nothing after that tack goes anywhere. I don't have anything to plug all this into. This can come out. That is my, what is this?
Airbag.
Airbag stuff? Don't need that no more because I don't have airbags. This is my ECU. I need to definitely try and mount that up and then keep everything else away from it. Here's my really expensive harness that I bought. So there's my ECU and my igniter. So we got those two together. I don't know what any of this goes to.
You're just fine.
Tilt and telescopic steering wheel control box. I don't know what's in here, but...
So follow it. Follow the yellow brick road. Ooh, and are there any fuses busted?
That's very possible.
We need to like follow that
Everything's
cable
plugged in though. Like everything's good
back
there.
over here.
Well, it's this
And
cable.
then-
It's
yeah.
this big cable right here, and then it goes
And then
right
it
to this
comes
module
down.
right here. Like everything's plugged in. I just chased the wires all the way back to here. I can't figure anything out wrong from this. So let me try and remove this. There we go. This is all the controls in there. Yeah, I can definitely read all of this. This is really easy for me.
Yeah.
This is my second language for sure.
3 weeks later.
I tried, boys. I really did today. I tried getting this off, but for some reason, I tried getting these off, but it literally, they're a pain in the butt, so I'll get that out another time. I want you guys to know I tried. We probably spent about an hour or 2 hours sitting here trying to figure out wiring, and we got a lot of stuff out, and at least we got some stuff organized, but like, a lot of stuff is sitting there, it's just, they're in their own little loom. I know I said this like yesterday or a couple days ago, I need to actually dedicate a day where I just sit down and tackle these wires. I'm just gonna try and get as much done as I can before the track day this weekend. My tire's supposed to be here tomorrow, I'm supposed to get my wheels tomorrow. I need to go and grab harnesses. I need to get 5-point harnesses as well, so you'll see me install those probably on Saturday, I guess, but like the day before, it's gonna be hectic. I think we'll be fine, it'll be good. I really would love to be able to get this undone, or like, not undone, but I would love to get this to work. That little box over there, I don't know what in the world you can actually do with that. I don't know if there's anything I can change about that, if there's anything blown, but nothing's unplugged. And we still can't get the freaking taillights to work. Even though the blinkers work, I'm pretty sure reverse light works. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Let me just get in my mopey place. Don't bother me. Don't talk to me the rest of the day, okay? I'm upset. I'm upset. Those banners, though. Can't wait to sell these, boys. See you tomorrow, brother. Later, Lexus. Work on you another day. Bye, dude. See you later, bud. See you later, bud. I do have to say one thing. I know I give my dad a really hard time. I always make fun of him for not driving his cars off road, but it's because he buys Jeeps and sells them. Like he's a dealer, and he deals. He deals, bro. So all of his stuff has dealer tags. That's why he also, like, his Bronco he doesn't have anymore. He just buys and sells cars. He's always done that. So I give him a hard time about it because I think it's funny. I like to hose people for not taking their Jeeps off road, but he has a good reason for it. Sorry, Daddy-o. Yeah, I gotta take nice care of Daddy's Porsche going home, though. I think what's sad is since I've made that a meme, I think some people actually think this is my dad's car. Which it is. It's not my car. If you don't do that under every bridge, you're not. Are you even a car guy? Are you a car enthusiast? Nah. Look at that dude. Look at that dude. Look at that freaking gap right there, dude. We need to take care of that. Next week I'm gonna wait until after this drift event is over to start working on the Porsche. I actually have another mod coming. I've talked about it several times. I've got another huge, amazing mod coming next Monday. Let's just say we're gonna make the Porsches, you know what? Shush, Evan. Okay, we just got back from the gym, because if you feel me, dude, I'm trying to be a little less fat and a little more daddy, if you catch my drift. I'm stoked to get the suspension on, and I'm really excited to get the Lexus as close to finished as possible. I honestly have no idea what the guidelines are for the car this weekend, but I think I'm just stressing myself out more than I need to make sure the car is ready, because I want more than anything just to drive, get some seat time. Clutch, come here! That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much again for watching. We'll see you tomorrow because we still got more stuff to do, and next week we're going to get started with the Porsche stuff. Yes. Love you all. Thank you again for watching. Peace out and be victorious. Oh, we're gonna be so slam, bro. We're gonna be so low and slow, bro. It's gonna be so crazy. Can't wait to ruin my Porsche. It's gonna be sick. Make sure you guys watch one of those 2 videos I got right in front of you, because I promise you both of them is good. But don't stop there. Keep watching.